Hello everyone, I'm Edwin from the Cutting Room Creative in Nanaimo, Canada, and welcome to our video. Today I'm going to be working on my lovely model Amy. We're going to be working with the KMS STYLECOLOR. So far what I've done is I started the application with the ADDVOLUME Shampoo and the ADDVOLUME leave-in treatment. I've done a messy blow dry and I used the ADDVOLUME foam and the liquid dust. So the idea of today's style is sort of a faux bob. I'm going to do some shadowing around the perimeter, and then we're going to have some fun with some of the lighter, brighter colors. So to start with, I've already, just for time save, I just simply did a French braid, and then I wrapped the tail around and I've just pinned that out of the way. Now I'm going to take a hair pad, pin this right over top of my braid. Now with the rest of the hair, I'm going to take some sections and I'm just very quickly going to put a bit of backcombing. I'm going to use some of the working spray. We want to spray that in the direction that the hair is going. Some little clear elastics. And then we're going to do a ponytail just quite near the ends there. It's got this real retro look with a little bit of modern edge to it. If I want to create a bit of shadow around the hairline in front of the ears, I'm going to go in with the frosted brown. And then now I'm going to take the vintage blush. And then we'll just finish down the back. And then what we'll do again is we'll take the frosted brown and we're just going to lay that across the bottom. And again, that's just going to give the illusion of that shadow effect right across the back like so. And that is Amy's faux bob. Thank you all very much for joining us.